Hello and welcome back to Little More Learning. Most people believe that job hunting is all about scrolling through LinkedIn or job portals. But what if I told you that 80% of the jobs are never even posted online? These jobs exist in what's called the hidden job market. Opportunities that are filled through networking, referrals, and internal hiring. So, how do you tap into this hidden world of job opportunities? That's exactly what we are going to cover in today's video. Let's get started. You might be wondering, why would companies keep jobs a secret? First, posting a job publicly can lead to thousands of applications, making the hiring process long and overwhelming. Instead, companies prefer referrals from trusted employees so they know they are hiring someone reliable. Second, many companies look within their own network before opening roles to outsiders. If they can promote someone internally or hire through word of mouth, they will do it. And finally, some roles aren't even planned in advance. They are created when the right person comes along. That means if you put yourself out there, you can land a job that wasn't even on the market. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Networking is the key to the hidden job market. Studies show that 80% of the jobs are filled through networking, not applications. But networking isn't just about sending connection requests or spamming people with messages. It's about building real relationships. Start by engaging with professionals in your industry on platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. Comment on their posts, ask thoughtful questions, and contribute to discussions. The more you put up yourself out there, the more likely will someone think of you when an opportunity comes up. One of the best ways to break into the hidden job market is getting referrals. But here's the mistake most job seekers make. They ask for a job too soon. Instead, start by building relationships through informational interviews. As informational interview is when you reach out to someone and say, "Hi, I admire your career in the industry. I would love to hear your story and any advice you might have for someone starting out." People love talking about their experiences, and these conversations can lead to insider info about understood job openings. Also, stay connected with old colleagues, professors, and mentors. They might be the bridge to your next big opportunity. LinkedIn isn't just a digital resume. It's a powerful networking tool that can get you noticed by the right people. Start by optimizing your profile. Have a strong headline, a professional photo, and a summary that clearly explains what you do. Next, don't just scroll. Post valuable content. Share insights about your field, talk about project you worked on, or even write about a challenge you overcame. Finally, engage with companies you want to work for. If they post an update, leave a thoughtful comment. Over time, they will start recognizing your name, which is exactly what you want. Most people send boring, generic messages like, "Hi, I'm looking for a job. Please let me know if there's an opening." This never works. Instead, make your message a bit personal. Like, "Hi," then you can put up hiring manager's name. "I admire your company and the work you're doing in the industry. I recently worked on a project related to the topic you had worked upon and would love to connect and learn more about potential opportunities at your company." This shows you have done your research and it starts a conversation rather than demanding a job outright. Keep it short, friendly, and focused on them, not just you. Another hidden gold mine for job seekers is industry events and meetups. Many companies announce job openings exclusively at conferences and networking events before posting them online. So start attending webinars, tech meetups, and professional gatherings. But don't just sit there. Ask questions, participate in discussions, and follow up with people you meet. A single conversation at an event could lead to an opportunity you never saw coming. And that's how you unlock the hidden job market. Instead of applying to public job postings, focus on networking, getting referrals, and engaging with industry professionals. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you will attract. Now it's time for you to speak about one networking tip that has helped you in your career. Drop a comment below, and of course, if you find this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career hacks. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.